Are you accidentally repelling customers with your Shopify store's color choices? Let's dive into how to choose the perfect color palette for your Shopify store using the theme customization panel first. Access your Shopify admin and navigate to online store, then click Customize on your current theme. Before picking colors, understand basic color theory. Complementary colors, those opposite each other on the color wheel, create contrast, while analogous colors, those next to each other, offer harmony. Triadic color schemes use 3 equally spaced colors for a balanced, vibrant look. Consider your industry. Health and wellness brands often use calming blues and greens, while luxury brands may opt for sophisticated blacks and golds. Research what colors resonate with your target audience within your niche. Think about color psychology. Red evokes excitement, blue builds trust, and green represents nature and growth. Choose colors that align with your brand values and desired customer feelings. In your theme customization panel, start with your background color. A neutral background, like white, off-white, or light gray, often provides a clean canvas to make your products stand out. Next, choose your text and accent colors. Ensure your text is easily readable against the background. Use accent colors sparingly for buttons, headings, and other important elements to draw attention and guide the user experience. Maintain consistency throughout your store. Use the same color palette across all pages to create a cohesive and professional brand image. This builds trust and makes your store memorable. By applying these principles, you can transform your Shopify store from visually jarring to captivating, attracting customers and boosting sales. Now, go give your store a colorful makeover.